G'day trendsetters, just while I've got all the gear set up here and I'm going to repot these little box basil cuttings, I thought I might as well just run the video and show you what I do, just in case it's not totally clear how I go about it. I'll be using these 4-inch pots, Searles Platinum potting mix, which is the best potting mix you can buy. Always use a premium or a good quality potting mix, and simply just a matter of carefully tipping this out. And now, because I've got multiple cuttings in this one pot, I just need to gently tease them apart, trying not to damage the root systems I've got there too much. They won't mind all that much being teased apart like this, which is why I do multiple cuttings in a pot, but that's my plant there. And fill my pot up. So nothing really special. I will want to try and maintain the height of the potting mix that was in the container to the new pot. It's about the only thing. Gently firm it in, a couple of taps, and that's a brand new box basil plant. And repeat 8 times. They'll probably only be in this pot for 2, maybe 3 weeks, and then they can either go out into the garden or into a larger pot, or give them away to friends and family. So it's just a matter of just let the plant do the work, more or less. Just it'll let you know where it wants to come apart. Sit him in there. That's it. I'll go through the rest. If you've got any questions, just please leave them in the comment below. And cheers, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll give these guys a water. I'll just place them out of the sun, but in a fairly bright spot for a day or two, and then put them out where they can get plenty of sunshine and grow like mad. Too easy.